Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Mason Hostetler, Tom Kelley Cadillac Genius. I'm here with the premium luxury 2021 XT5, and I'm going to show you guys how to use the automatic park assist feature. So I'm now in the interior of the vehicle. I'm sitting in the driver's seat right now, but before I get started, I just want to talk a little bit about the feature itself. So automatic park assist, kind of self-explanatory. Automatic park assist. It's going to automatically park the vehicle for you. You don't need your hands. All you need to do is control the gas and the brake with your feet, right? Seems easy enough. On the infotainment screen, you would get even step-by-step directions. To have this feature, it's available across the Cadillac lineup. You need the enhanced visibility and technology package in order to have this feature. So as long as you have that, you will be able to use the automatic park assist. And it's really meant for if you're not sure if your vehicle can fit into a spot, or if you're not comfortable with, say, parallel parking or perpendicular parking, because it has both features. You're able to look on the left and right side of your vehicle using either the turn signals or tapping the infotainment screen. And now, guys, let's get started, because I will be able to show you what the screen will look like and then be able to do it for you in front of your eyes. And then if you have the feature available, you can go out and try it yourself. All right, guys, so still in the driver's seat of the XT5 now. We're gonna look to the infotainment screen. It's not on the infotainment screen, but it's just to the left of the infotainment screen. It's in the same area, so it's gonna be here just to the left. And you have these three icons here. That top one with the light engaged is your park assist. That's what alerts you when you're getting close to objects or another vehicle when you're already parking. And then this middle icon is the automatic park assist. That's what we are going to be using. Just below that is the auto start stop. We will not be using that. Now with the automatic park assist, like I said, you have to be in gear. So I'm going to hold the brake, put us in gear. There, we're just in drive. Now I'm gonna get it to fit in between these two Escalades that are sitting right here. So I'm gonna reach up here and we're gonna press this auto park assist, and then here's where you get the instructions step by step. Okay, so you get to choose arrival or departure. We're gonna be arriving, so we're gonna have arrival selected, which it already is. That's fine. Now you have parking type, parallel or perpendicular. It's set to parallel right now. It's a perpendicular spot, so we got to reach down here and we got to change it this way. And then parking side, right or left. We're looking on the right side of our vehicle, and it already says set to right. But for example, if you wanted to look on the left, you could just flip your turn signal down to the left, and you see it looks on the left side. Now I flip back to the right, it's going to look back on the right side as well. Okay, so it looks like our settings are all set. Now we're just going to be able to start to roll forward, and we'll listen for a beep. Keep an eye on the screen here. And we're going to wait for one more beep so we get between the Escalades. And here we go. All right, now it says stop, put it in reverse. Okay, and it also says check your surroundings, so always be aware of your surroundings. So I have it in reverse now, and now my hands are going to be off the wheel, and as you see, we're going to start going back, and the wheel is turning by itself. You are still in control of the gas and the brake, and that little arrow there on the left, that's what you got to fill up as you get closer and closer to the spot. As you keep moving back, that's going to fill up more and more, and then that's when you're going to move to either put it back in a drive or you're going to be in the parking space correctly. So let's keep going back here. Now look, now it's switched to drive forward slowly, be prepared to brake. So I'm just going to put it into drive. Now here we go, we're going to go forward as we're turning. Our wheel is turning and the arrow is filling up once again. Filled it up. Now stop. Now it says back up slowly again, so I'm going to put it back in reverse. The wheel is still turning all on its own. My hands are not on the wheel. I am controlling the gas and the brake though. You see my feet are still hovered over the gas and the brake, or I guess my right foot is still hovered over. It's holding the brake right now, but it's hovered over, ready to act if need be. And you see in your the backup camera now, it's getting better and better as a parking space, and it's gonna fit us right in between these two Escalades. Wheel is still spinning on its own.
Backing up, you see we're about perfect right now. I'm doing nothing with the wheel. It's all doing it by itself. As we keep going back, and there we go. Stop. And then you get the green check mark box complete. Now take over the vehicle. Now I could just put it into park and check it out. Park is perfectly between these two Escalades. I just wanted to get out and show you guys the parking job that it did. It's pretty spot on perfect, guys, if I'm being honest here. And you can see the space between our vehicle that we drove and the lines and then the Escalade on the other side is perfect, right? We are dead center inside this parking space. And a good example here, you see how this Escalade is pretty close towards the back of this parking space here, close to the line there. Our vehicle gave it plenty of space with no problem, making sure we're giving ourselves an easy departure and we're centered in that parking space. Very nice, very convenient feature, guys. Remember, it's an enhanced visibility and technology package if you want this feature. Very convenient, helps you out when you're in a pinch, in a bind. Maybe it's a close, tight lot, you're not sure. You can trust this technology, guys. It's incredible. Thanks again for watching. If you're interested in a Cadillac, possibly, come on down to Tom Kelley Cadillac in Fort Wayne, Indiana, and see one of our sales and leasing professionals.